Hi guys, we are here in the swimming pool. This is doing to collab, my friend. Hello guys, for today's video guys, I have the two ladies here. The name is
John and Jen
and
Che the Filipina.
so let's talk about our life.
What's life is that, Charis?
Life is life. So what is the life? Let's living your partner, something like that. So
we are good. We are good. We're living together for almost 8 months now.
Wow. So just like you don't have anything arguing, or you don't have something like that?
No, we don't argue. We don't argue. We don't have no tampo, no argue, no drama.
That's good. How about Jane? It's LDR?
We are LDR, but we never argue. We just a little bit misunderstanding. Sometimes I have tampo, but he understands.
Yeah, I think it's normal that you have you have tampo.
It's normal here in the Philippines.
Not too much, guys.
Not too much,
yeah,
of course.
No, I mean normal that we have understanding, but not too much. And tampo, I think you have to careful about, because it's not.
It is not good, especially if the older the foreigner.
It's not.
So
good.
you don't like a stress, something like that. You don't like drama.
Yeah.
You meet your boyfriend,
I met him on my live stream on YouTube.
Oh wow, nice.
We met,
finally.
He subscribed to my channel, and
then
he said he scroll down and he saw me cute.
Wow. So finally now stick together.
And now we're together. Even we are just meet on live stream.
That's what is your plan, your life? You just like you have your boyfriend, you just stay forever here?
Yeah, he stayed here. He retired here now in the Philippines.
Wow, that's nice.
I don't let him to go home, guys.
Yeah, it's nicer in the Philippines, right? Yeah, especially like snowing there, so you don't like to back there.
He said he don't miss snow naman. He don't miss snow.
Maybe it's winter?
I don't know. I heard it's winter now in the other state. I don't know.
Winter.
Yeah.
Where did you meet your boyfriend?
I met my boyfriend, by the way, in Christian Pilipinas.
Wow.
Dating site. And we are 11 months together, but we are LDR.
It is nice, guys. It's meet the Christian Filipina. So the relationship is good.
Yeah.
You don't have
It's good.
anything.
We are good.
Yeah,
That's good.
Yeah, sometimes the relationship is not really perfect, so
Yeah,
sometimes you
sometimes.
have misunderstanding. But Filipina, I think they are easy to deal, guys. Don't worry, Filipina are easy to deal.
Yeah.
They are it's just if they have tampo, let them
Yeah,
tampo.
because they have Filipina something like you feel tampo, because the Filipina guys is she like to lambing.
Yeah, you need to be sweet.
And then you should be to smile or something like that every day, because the Filipina is a smile to you always, so as well to smile also, right?
Yeah.
That's Filipina. So, how old are you, your boyfriend?
He's 49.
Wow, it's 49.
I'm
It's
32.
wow, it's a good age.
Yeah, we have like 17 years each.
And
I
you,
can say that we are just the same naman.
and you is 32.
Yeah, 32. Even we have like 17 years each gap. I feel like just we are compatible.
Yeah.
I mean, we are just like, we are good.
Yeah,
It's not
that's
like,
the
I don't feel that
important.
he is, he's older than me.
Yeah, so-
I feel like the same.
You have the plan to having a kids?
Someday, if we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have plan. I love kids.
Yeah.
Even, Filipina wants
For me
to
also,
have-
I like the kids. But the father is like foreigner. Soon in the future. But Jean, how old are you? Your
I'm 30
boyfriend?
now, and my boyfriend is coming 46 on April. 46.
46.
15 years of age gap.
Wow, that's good. It's a good age.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I looking in the future.
Oh, Belinda is wishing, guys. So what are you waiting for?
Or
Our host is
40
single.
to going up the age.
That's the good age if you
Yeah.
find a future partner.
Yay!
Sana.
Hi guys, so that's topic for today. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, Belinda Philippines Adventure, and
John and Jen.
Che, the Filipina.
yeah, bye-bye.
Belinda lang man ang singer restaurant.
Hi guys, so we are here to visit the Kuya Storm home.
Radit, man! May basher
And
tayo
then,
video. Oo nga.
time to cook for
Normal naman ang
lunch.
basher. It's
Lunch
fine.
ba or dinner?
Lunch na ni lunch.
Lunch.
Gin, nagsiksi ka. Gin, saan mo ginagawa?
Nagsiguro ba nag-gym dito ba?
Nag-gym ka, Gin.
Chicken. Potato.
Vlogging na. Hey, start with 3 Filipinas in the house.
We have the 2 Filipina in the house kay Chi Filipina. Oh. Mag-vlog po ta para ayos ko na.
Siyempre, we're good. Yeah, sis Mati 3 Filipinas and Belinda bring and Jen bring this big bangus. Okay na siya? Paksi, okay na natin. Ay, masura.
She's cooker to Filipina.
So, Filipina is cooking. Sorry. Ikot mo ay.
Murag ni mala na imo chicken.
We're cooking chicken adobo and paksi bangus. Ito kamera, chicken ready.
Chicken is like
Ha? Kaya naman siya pero kanang talag-sara, hindi siya ulda pa.
without
Isago naman na tanan nato no, tapos sa kulukon. Tapos butangan og
sagol ka na. Then,
slice din nato.
suka,
Buwi.
soy sauce, dayon, oil, little bit.
Baala na. May nakapagdali maluto. Ang usa kay nag-prepare. Gani, ang usa kay nag-prepare nag-sauce. Okay.
Sige, prepare.
Kauna. Wala pa gani.
Dali na. Sige, diba nag-gym si Jin dito sa iyang apartment?
Oo, nag-exercise ka no? Oo. Prepare kayo si Jen. Ako, prepare ko mukhaon. Pero kung magkaon, ay mo mag-exercise kaon mo po. Ang kira na eh.
Ba, gini ko siyang apang siksin kayo ba?
Gani.
Masaka.
Ikaw, pagkaon sa gamay, dada magod siya, gamay siya, mugay siya, wig, gamay. Gamay. Gani, gamay. Okay, para
Ako na po'y magpatambok.
Hindi,
Patambok lisod kayo magpa.
Para ka.
Pagpaniwa. Exercise na po kay kanang pagpanimang.
Uy, dali kayo
Ay, wabit ako kasulay upuan ka ng takbo ko. Kasulay. Murag siguro kung
Ako ingati na.
magka